In the following video, we will be receiving the stock that the supplier has delivered who we placed the order for. So to do this, we can click on purchasing in the left list and we will scroll down to orders just to review the order that we used. So this was the order that we generated from the quote selection. So we'll see that our number ends with 109. So we'll go back to the navigation page by clicking on close page. We'll navigate to purchasing, receipts, and we'll select receipts. Because it's local purchasing, we will select all Akisa receipts. So to receive the stock, we will need to start by selecting new from the right list. We'll enter our receiving site by clicking on the selection icon. We will enter our specific supplier who we are receiving the stock from. We'll see that the receiving date has defaulted, the currency is defaulted, and the rate type is defaulted. So now we need to select from which order are we receiving stock from. To do this, we'll look at the left list and we'll look at the order selection bucket. Once we've selected this, all orders that relate to the receiving site and the supplier will default in the left list. So we'll see that there is the order that we generated previously. So to receive this order, we will click on the tick box and this will pull all the order information to the lines. To review it, we can scroll. So we've got our order number, we've got our product code, description, we've got the quantity. So if the supplier is delivering less stock than what we ordered, we can do this, which means that it will just be a partial delivery and an additional delivery can later be created for the same order. So for now, we will leave the quantity as the full quantity. We say that we are receiving it into status queue, which means it will go into a quarantine status where the stock needs to be verified that all is good, so that the stock can then be moved into the acceptable locations where it will then be available. So for the status queue, we see that there is a specific location type and location that is defaulted as from the specific status that we are receiving the stock into. We will tap through the line. We'll see the stock cost per unit. We'll see that the accounting code has defaulted. We can review the valuation tab if we need to with regards to the amounts. Once we are happy with the information that we've entered and we are happy with the stock that we are receiving, we can click on creating the right list. This generates a receiving number for us, and if we click on receipt in the left list, we'll see that our new receipt number has updated to the left list. Now that we've received the stock, we can then go further and we can invoice this then to the supplier. So we can navigate back to the navigation page and we can click on close page to do so.